Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to make your following list private on Instagram. So first you need to go and open your Instagram application and log into your account. After that you go to your profile and you will find it in the bottom right, and then on the top right you will see the three bars. You click on that, then you will see those options. You are going to scroll down and you will see account privacy. You click on that and then you switch your account from public to private, and like this only your friends will be able to see your following list. And if you don't want this option, you want just to hide your following list and keep your account public, so you go back and you scroll down. You will see here the option help in more info and support section. You click on that and then you click on report a problem, then you click on include and continue, and here you are going to type your problem, which is you are going to ask that you want to hide your following list without making your account private. And then you submit it and wait till the support team respond to you. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video.